In this video, I'll be burping 50 times. Now, I will count to 2,000 in a video upcoming within like a day or two, hopefully. But first, I'm going to do both these things. I'm going to do burping 50 times and counting to 2,000 in separate videos. I'm going to do both of them because the votes are tied up. So, yeah, I'm going to do both of them, okay? Ready? Go. uh, 50 burps in one video. Peace.